crafters. Welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is happy birthday to me, first off, and day 22 of Lynne's from Soft Squares Countdown to Christmas Box B. So if you've been following, you know we've gotten a lot of unique different gifts from her. I appreciate the thoughtfulness and the things that she has placed in her box. And I am anxious to see what arrived today for my birthday. So let's see how that goes. And now, granted, she had no idea today was my birthday, but that's okay. It still makes day 22 special, right? So let's take a look at what she has in store for us today. Cool. All right, she always puts in little notes in that. And today's note says, B-Box Day 22. Who doesn't love coordinating things? I couldn't resist getting this combo. They are adorable. So today's box, she did value it at $12. Is a softsquares.com advent box. Comes with a pin. So a custom, oh, I hate when they put that wax on the bottom of pins now, right? So you can't write with it. Yeah, we'll play with that later. So it did come with a pen, does come with a cute little notepad, and it did come with a coordinating zippered vinyl pouch. So different, unique gift, not one that wows me. I've already got enough other little notepads and pouches. But, you know, when you're trying to put a variety together in that, you got to grab what you need. Maybe nice to have this, right, as maybe my, that I can put it in my travel bag and that. So when I do retreats, when I go places and that, I will have a complete complimentary set put together. So I can't say today is like, wow, especially for my birthday. But at the end of the day, it's not a bad gift. It's just different. Wasn't quite what I was expecting. So I overall still satisfied with the look and feel of the B-Box from Soft Squares with Lynne. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day, giving me an opportunity to look at each day with you together, give you my fair and unbiased opinion, because I am not sponsored by anyone. I pay for these boxes and that, and I give you my take and opinion on what I think is there and the value. I do think it's probably valued at the right price when she says 12 bucks. So as always, until next time, happy crafting.